See if I can get a little bit of a dip back to the 78 quarters on the S&P. Ooh, S&P testing the entry, no fill. There we go. Looking for the target in the 80s. Testing the target, no fill. NASDAQ also catching a little bit of a dip down, although the NASDAQ is a bit more interesting down in the 32s if it can make it a little bit lower. The S&P tested the target, still no fill. Tested it again there, still no fill. One of these days, I'm sure I'll get a fill. Come on now. I guess in the meantime, crude oil is rallying back up towards settlement. I've only got the one, but depending on multitudes, scalpers will be exiting into settlement. Come on, S&P. Jeez. NASDAQ still no little dip underneath that low. Crude oil's testing settlement, trying to get through. S&P testing the target again. Like, really? Still no fill. Please. Ugh. Wow. NASDAQ's getting a nice little dip to the downside here, looking for a continuation pulse to the upside. There we go. Ooh, I got a really bad fill on that scalp out. S&P finally fills. God, thank you, S&P. Jeez. NASDAQ, I picked up that little dip on the scalp, but I got a kind of bad fill on the exit there too. Slippy, sloppy, wishy-washy. Crude oil continuing to the upside, making it up into this zone 83.93s. As far as an actual risk calculation is concerned, I want to ensure that I am not giving back a 3-to-1 on my actual. Okay. So I've got my 3-to-1 locked in on my actual risk regardless, just because it barely took any risk. And if we can get this to continue a little bit further, then that much the better. I would like to see if we can get that 5-to-1 move, which is what it's testing right now. Get a little more continuation up into the 84, something like that. So we're at the 5-to-1 actual risk on crude oil. On the euro, it's not really doing much. All right, I'm going to lock in the 5-to-1 on crude oil, the 5-to-1 actual, and I'm just going to let the rest go. It's one or the other. Probably the stop, but that's fine. Took effectively no heat on the trade, so the 5-to-1 is okay with me.